What's good looking people? My name is Jess and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be doing a part 2 to this book unboxing. I hope you guys enjoy. So now I'm going to show you guys the first box. This is the big box right here, and it looks like this from the back, and then from the front it looks like this. Now I'm going to open it up for you guys and show you guys what's inside. Yeah. So, I hope you guys are having a great day and that the day is doing good for you guys. I'm really excited to show you guys these new books that I have gotten and to also read them as well. So yes, I would also like for y'all to comment down below if y'all have ever read any of these books and to see. Alright, so now I have the first box open, and this is what it looks like on the outside. I'm going to show you guys. It is called the Naturals Collection by Jennifer Lynn Barnes. So it looks like this from the front, and then from the back, and then from the side. And then these are the books here. And it says Bad Blood, All In, Killer Instinct, and The Naturals. So basically, this is the last book in that collection, and this is the first one in the collection. So I'm excited to show you guys what they look like from the front. So yeah. Now I'm going to show you guys the second box that I have. It looks like this from the back and also from the front. I've been pretty curious so far as I've been getting this on how I would actually enjoy this collection. I've heard some pretty good things about it, so that's good, I guess. So yeah, I'm going to open this now and show you guys. So here is the first book that I have. It is called If Only I Had Told Her by Lauren Nowlin. So it looks like this. And then this is what it looks like on the back. And then the second book is If He Had Been With Me, also by Lauren Nowlin. So this is what it looks like from the front and also from the back. And then this is what it looks like. These are what it looks like together. Alright, so comment down below if you have ever read these book series. If you have, let me know if you have liked it or disliked it. And all opinions, are valid. Whether they're good opinions or bad opinions, they're valid. Alright, so now I'm going to open up this other book collection to show you all of the books that's in that collection. All right. So this is the first book. It is called The Naturals by Jennifer Lynn Barnes. So it looks like this from the front, and then it looks like this on the back, and then it shows you the other 3 books in the collection as well. Here is the second book called Killer Instinct by Jennifer Lynn Barnes. Cute. The third book is All In, also by Jennifer Lynn Barnes. And then this is the fourth book called Bad Blood by Jennifer Lynn Barnes. This is the front. And then this is the back. So yes, comment down below if you have read the Naturals book collection. If you guys have, please let me know what y'all's thoughts were on that book collection. I personally have never read it, and I am excited to read them. And yeah. If y'all have any more, questions on, where I got these books from and all that stuff, you feel free to, comment that and let me know and all of that. So, yeah, so there's gonna be a lot more videos hopefully coming soon in the next few months, so just stay tuned for that. I'm hoping to be more active throughout this year on YouTube, and yeah, just to see where this YouTube thing will go. So yes, thank you guys so much for the support so far on my channel, and for those of you guys who have been there. And yeah, so hopefully y'all enjoy y'all's rest of y'all's days. And yeah, so any other book recommendations y'all would like for me to do, I will gladly do them for you guys. Like I said in the last video, I will be doing a well, I can't really say for sure if I'm actually going to be doing it or not, but if I do, I will be doing a book recap, just to like recap, all of the different book collections, so that y'all will know like which book collection to purchase and which one to not. But if you still want to read the ones that I probably didn't like, then that's fine too, because y'all might, like it more than I will, or did. So yeah, so don't not buy these books, because y'all might like it or not like it. So just yeah, so just do you. And yeah, so any other further questions y'all might have regarding these books, comment them down. And yeah, so these are the books again. This is book 4, Bad Blood. This is book 3, All In. This is book 2, Killer Instinct. And then this is book 1, The Naturals. And so that's that book collection. And the other book collection is If Only I Had Told Her, and then If He Had Been With Me. So, yep. Yeah, so any other additional questions, please, let me know. And yes, the Naturals came with a really great box. I'm very intrigued on this box. I'm I don't know how they were able to come up with a box like this, but for some reason or some way, they were able to come up with a box that looks like this. So, yeah. At this point, I'm just ranting. So, yeah, let's see. I can show you guys, I can do a trick. Want to see a trick? So basically, it's not really a trick. So I'm pretty sure some of y'all can do this trick. But basically, you put your 2 fingers together like this, and then you have this finger, and then you just put it in front of it like that, so it looks like this. It's not really, it's an okay trick, I guess, but I can do this. I can make my tongue turn into a taco. So, yeah. And then another one I can do is you have your finger and it's straight like this, but what you do with your top is that you push it down like this, and then you just move it around like that. I just basically taught myself how to do that, and I just thought, oh, I'm so cool and whatnot, but I don't know, maybe I am, but it's just, a little trick that I taught myself years ago. So I just thought, oh yeah, this would be so cool. So yeah, anyways, I'm just ranting basically, and yeah, so just stay tuned. There's a lot of videos that I am planning, and y'all might see some sit down videos. So if y'all want some sit down videos, I will definitely do some of those videos. Give me some suggestions, please, on what to talk about in a sit down video, because I don't want to bore you guys in a video, because y'all might not. I'm just saying, I just don't want to, bore you guys. So please, give me some suggestions for some sit down video ideas, because I'm thinking of making some sit down videos in the near future. Can't tell you when they'll be, but y'all will get one soon. Yeah, so I think that's it. Yeah, so thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on those post notifications, and I will see you guys next time. Peace!